Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you as we dive into the world of the latest smartwatch innovation, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. If you're in search of the ultimate smartwatch experience, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into our review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Let's start by exploring the design and display of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Samsung has always excelled in this department, and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is no exception. With its sleek and premium design, the watch exudes elegance and sophistication. The circular Super AMOLED display is vivid and vibrant, providing crisp visuals and easy navigation. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is not just a smartwatch, it's also a comprehensive fitness and health companion. It offers a wide range of fitness tracking features, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, and activity tracking. Additionally, the watch comes with built-in GPS, water resistance, and advanced workout modes, making it perfect for tracking and improving your fitness goals. When it comes to connectivity and performance, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro shines. It supports both Bluetooth and LTE connectivity, allowing you to stay connected even without your smartphone nearby. The watch is powered by a powerful processor, ensuring smooth performance and quick app loading times. It also offers ample storage for music and apps, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes and stay connected on the go. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is not just a fitness companion, it's also a productivity powerhouse. With its intuitive interface and smart features, you can receive notifications, respond to messages, and even make calls directly from your wrist. The watch seamlessly integrates with popular apps and services, allowing you to manage your schedule, check the weather, and control your smart home devices, all with a few taps on your wrist. Battery life and durability are crucial factors when it comes to smartwatches, and the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro delivers on both fronts. With its long-lasting battery, you can go through a full day of use without needing to recharge. The watch is also built to withstand the elements, featuring water resistance and rugged construction, ensuring that it can keep up with your active lifestyle. And there you have it, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro review. Samsung has once again raised the bar for smartwatches, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and performance. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, a busy professional, or someone who simply appreciates a sleek and feature-rich wearable, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.